This screencast is going to show you how to make that initial video post or how to make any video post on our Google Plus community page. It might be a little jerky because I am doing a screencast, so I'm recording what I'm doing right now, plus I'm going to be trying to record in Google Plus, so I'm not sure how the double recording is going to work. But what the heck, let's find out. So first, notice you have the share what's new. That works just like any kind of posting menu. I go here, I just click on it, and you see I have some options that I can do. I can do a poll, an event, video, I can add a link. I can also do photos. Now, a little different from Facebook is who you do this to. Generally, you just go onto your Facebook and post it, and it just goes wherever you have it prearranged. Here we can choose different things. Notice there's general, that's for just any day stuff. PLN, we'll get into that later, Personal Learning Network. Once you start looking at resources on Twitter or maybe through Google Plus communities or wherever else you might get information. If you need some help with something, and feel free if you know the answer, that don't have to wait for me to answer. And then as we do each week's discussion, and eventually you'll be put into groups. So you would click on one of those after you decide. You can, now for the video post though, you can type if maybe it's week 1 video post or whatever it might be. Okay, and if you want to put a topic or if you want to type anything else, feel free to do that too. But to do the video, number one, you want to be in Chrome. You want to use the Chrome browser, so make sure you've got that going. Then you hit video, and after that you click record video. Now my webcam is set up on my other screen. I've got 2 screens going, and so you can adjust the webcam so that it looks in whatever direction you want. The color's a little funky on mine. What you do then is hit record, and that will start to record your message. However, and remember, no more than 4 minutes, so kind of have your thoughts ready to go before you start recording this. To stop, I hit recording again. I can play this to see if I like the way it worked. Now, one thing I do, and I did it before I get on there, sometimes for some reason my equipment, it makes me sound like a chipmunk or squirrel. It goes really fast. So what I'll do is I'll record and I'll say test 1, 2, 3. I'll stop it and I'll play it back to make sure everything is working properly before I go on and talk for many minutes. You know, that can be quite frustrating and then it's not working properly. So check it each time first. You never know what your equipment's going to be doing. Once you're ready, you can start over if you don't like it, and it'll re-record it. If you're happy with it, you then hit add video. And it's probably going to take a little bit on this one because of the screencast. So it'll do this, and usually by now it's already in there. So now you can see. I'm going to click, for now, general, or maybe help, since this is showing you how to do this. I'm going to be deleting this anyway after we're done. And then you click on share. And again, it's probably going to take a little bit of time just because, you know, I'm screencasting and actually did pretty well. And you can see it does those cute little animated GIFs. Usually it seems to catch you in the worst possible position doing this. And now it's ready to go. When you go to your fellow classmates, what you'll do then is here's your add comment. And you can just kind of type in whatever your comment is to them. And remember, don't just, oh, that's so cool, I agree with you. Really listen to what your fellow classmates say and respond to whatever that kind of brings out in you. Think how that topic is going to affect your future teaching, or whether or not you agree with using that particular type of technology, or whether you agree that particular type of technology is going to help your students learn. We want to go back and forth on this. We want to get some real good discussions going, things that are going to make you think, that will help you think and start thinking as a teacher. Okay, that is it for the for the video posts.